Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good morning, ma'am. Afternoon, ma'am.
Beta, good afternoon. Let's wait for others also to join since it is a combined class. So let's wait for 2 minutes.
Morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, children, now tell me, in your social studies, class 4th A, till where have you done the key points? Key points of chapter 12, class 4th A, Praveer, Daksh, Charitra. Have we done the key points of chapter 4? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. We have done.
And we have done till 7.
We have done till 7.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So let, yes.
No, ma'am. At 10.
Till
No,
10.
ma'am, at 10.
We have done till 10. Okay. Now listen to me. I'm going to share a screen with you. Class 4th A has not done. Let's complete it together. Okay? Class 4B you have done in the morning, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So till then, class 4th B will try to do the exercise in the book. Okay, the fill in the blanks, match the following, whatever. Do it yourself in the book. Let class 4th A complete all the key points till here.
Ma'am,
Okay?
how many coupons are there?
Only 18. I'm sharing it on the class. No, yes, I'm sharing it on the class group of yours. You can do it from there, and I'm also sharing it on screen over here. Okay, beta? Yes, Pratyaksh, what do you want to ask?
But ma'am, I have already done the exercises of this chapter in my book.
Okay, that's very nice. But Pratyaksh, now you have to cooperate a little with other classmates, beta. You have to wait a little for them also. Then only we'll be able to move at the same pace. Okay? So here's the screen, class 4th A. You can check your class group also. Who is saying, ma'am, please start the meeting? The meeting is already started. Who is saying it in the class group? Okay, see, everyone, you can see from here, I have shared the screen.
Good morning, ma'am. Sorry, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Ma'am, we have done this and we are on chapter number 13. We have completed chapter
Beta,
number 13.
the students who were coming to school have not completed it. They will do it. Okay, if you have done, you can just sit and wait for your classmates to finish it off.
Ma'am, please zoom.
Ma'am, 1 second, it's going to be blur.
If you are not able to see it from here, it is on your WhatsApp class group also. See it from there.
Is it arrangement because this is maths class?
Yes, beta, this is your arrangement.
Ma'am, what is Kinnori?
Kumauni. Beta, it is a language that the people of Uttarakhand speak. Kumauni.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is written after Manani?
Written after Manali and Dalhousie. Shimla, Kullu,
Ma'am, what
Manali.
is Dalhousie?
Dalhousie is also name of a hill station. It is the name of a place.
Yes, ma'am, I have visited there.
Very nice. How is it? It's beautiful.
Yes, ma'am, it has snow.
Okay. Because it is a hill station. It is in Uttarakhand. And I'm sure you must have
Ma'am,
visited it.
No, ma'am, Himachal Pradesh.
Oh, sorry. Yes, Himachal Pradesh. And I'm sure you must have visited it in winters. That is why you came across snow over there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I go.
Ma'am, before coming,
ma'am,
before
what
coming
is
offline.
Gharwali?
It is also a language. Gharwali is also a language. Gharwali. It's like that. Pahadis speak this language.
Ma'am, after this period, there will be one more class.
Yes, Veta, there will be your 7th period.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Yes, Veta, go.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to ask that,
Hmm.
ma'am, why are not school opening? Ma'am, DM has said by mistake.
He said it by mistake.
Yes, ma'am.
Who said you that he said it by mistake? Who told you this?
Ma'am, parents.
No, better now they'll open after the winter break only. Sorry, after this
Okay,
thing,
ma'am.
in the new year only.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done all the exercise of chapter number 13.
Of 13 also.
Ma'am, what is the last word of 11 key points?
Yes, ma'am.
The last word of 11th key point is Himachal Pradesh.
Ma'am, I am on 50.
Ma'am, in the ma'am, in the chapter number 12, in true false, there was the on second number the language in spoken in the Ladakh. Ma'am, I didn't understand this.
What is the sentence? Read it out.
Ma'am, Dogri is a language spoken in Ladakh.
So just find in the paragraph of Ladakh, is it given Dogri or it's given Ladakhi? Just see which language is spoken.
Ma'am, Ladakhi.
Yes, so it is false.
Okay, ma'am.
yourself. Who is it? Who is not muted in class?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, those who have done what they will do.
Now they will start doing the exercises given in the book.
Okay, ma'am.
Try to do it yourself.
Ma'am, done exercise.
Okay, beta. Very good. Very nice.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Say, beta. Who is saying what?
Ma'am, that I have underlined with green color. Please tell what is this?
This is Dalhousie. It is a place in Himachal Pradesh.
Ma'am, what is Masuri?
Beta, Mussoorie is also a place. It is a hill station in Himachal Pradesh.
Ma'am, I have gone to Nainital 100 times.
Very nice. Very good.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, this class will मैम ये क्लास 150 को ओवर होगी.
Yes, beta. It will get over at 1:50. You have 15 more minutes to go.
Ma'am, I am done. Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, I am done.
Very good. Very good. You have done. Very nice.
Ma'am, I am done.
Anyone who is still doing?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, my written work is completed. Ma'am, I'm finding answers in the book.
Very nice. Who else is doing these key points? Shall
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we can read the chapter.
Yes, beta, we will read. But see, Arsalan is saying he is doing. Shraddha, have you done, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
You have done. Okay. Anyone except for Arsalan who is doing? No one is doing. Okay, what we will do is, children, we are going to read these key points only. So let's begin from Samya. Read out the 3 key points written on this screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Shimla is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. The most important festival of Himachal Pradesh is Dussehra. Shimla, Kullu, Manali, and Dalhousie are important holidays destination in Himachal Pradesh.
Okay, next who will read? Praveer.
Ma'am, can I read?
Ma'am, can I read?
Praveer.
The most important festival of Himachal Pradesh is Dussehra.
Beta, read out 3 key points.
Ma'am, can I?
Beta, read out the 3 key points. Praveer, did you read all 3? I don't understand. Something is wrong in my network or something is wrong at your end.
No, ma'am, at his end.
Who will read out the 14th key point? Tell me, who will read out?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can I,
can I?
Pratia?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can
Zoya,
I?
read out 3 key points.
Uttarakhand, located on the southern side of Himalayas, has Dehradun as its capital. The Gangotri Glacier is the source of river Ganga, and the Yamunotri Glacier is the source of river Yamuna. People speak Kumani, Hindi. What is after that?
Kumauni, Hindi, Gharwali,
Gharwali and other Pahari languages in Uttarakhand.
Now who will read the next?
Ma'am, can I?
Pratyaksh. Yes, Pratyaksh, read.
Ma'am, please wait. The pilgrimage sites of Uttarakhand are Rishikesh, Lakshman Jhula, Badrinath, Kedarnath, Yamunotri, Gangotri, and Hamkund Sahib. 18th, Nainital, Oli, Mussoorie are famous hill stations located here.
Okay,
Shimla is the capital of Himachal Pradesh.
very good. Next, who is left to read?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Charitra, read.
The most important festival of Himachal Pradesh is Dussehra. Shimla. Ma'am, what's after Shimla?
Shimla, Kullu, Manali,
Kullu, Manali, and Dalhousie
Dalhousie. Beta,
Dalhousie are important holidays
holiday
destination in Himachal Pradesh. Number 14. Number 3. Uttarakhand, located on the southern side of Himalayas, has Dehradun as its capital.
Okay. Next, who will read? Shiza. Shiza will read.
Yes, ma'am.
Read, beta.
Ma'am, the 16th one.
Yes, beta.
People speak
Kumauni,
Kamauni, Hindi,
Gharwali.
Garhwali, and other Pahari languages in Uttarakhand.
Next,
The
also.
The
Pilgrimage
Pilgrimage sites of Uttarakhand are
Rishikesh,
Rishikesh, Lakshman,
Jhula,
Jhula,
Badrinath,
Badrinath,
Kedarnath, Yamunotri, Gangotri,
and
Hemkund Sahib.
Hemkund Sahib. National
Nainital,
Nainital,
Auli, Mussoorie,
Mussoorie are famous hill station located here.
Okay. So that is all for today. Everyone has done these key points.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
We have done the reading also. Now, whenever we have our class next, we are going to start up with the exercises and question answers. Okay?
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
All right, beta. Go and
Bye,
join the
ma'am.
next link, next class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.